too.
And we made it. Now we have to get everything out of the car. Say hi. Aww. We just ate. We just ate breakfast.
Are we done, guys?
Yeah.
All of her food.
No.
This
We
is not
shared.
mine. No, we didn't. No, we did not. Why is she lying?
Now we're gonna check out the water. Let's go. Woo! What?
You get what I meant?
No. Woo! Look at them waves, boy. It's pretty cold.
Is it cold?
What?
Is it cold?
The waves are really big right now.
She got bodied by a wave.
We're tanning because my back is really pale and he's gonna burn.
Nah, I think I'm gonna tan. I put on the tanning lotion.
He's
so.
he's gonna
I got
burn.
kind of tan a little yesterday. Like my shoulder is not anything else. That's pretty much it. Very celebrating other things.
Oh, there was
Working with my dad.
Okay, we're going in the ocean part 2. Let's go.
Let's go. Go.
The waves are
Go. Go. She's getting stuck. Where's the dive, Chad? She died. She's shut. Oh my God.
Right now we're going to the gift shop. Oh, excuse me. Okay, we're in the gift shop right now. And there's a lot of mascara under my eyes. Looking good. Looking sharp. Looking sharp.
Shooting.
Looking sharp. This just came out. Okay, I got it back in the gift shop.
Christmas. You're getting Christmas stuff.
No, we're not. Let's go. Okay. Stop. Stop. We're about to get ice cream. Thumbnail.
This is a horrible thumbnail.
Good. Got it. Okay, I got chocolate little cup. And look what he
I did not think it was
ordered.
going to be this big. I thought it was 2 little scoops. I didn't think it was going to be this whole thing.
Ordered the whole ice cream shop, by the way.
That's good. You want a taste?
Yeah, I do.
How is it?
Oh, I got it.
Slow ass run. Oh. I did not know.
She's barefoot. Just got back to the car and we got a ticket. We love that. A parking ticket because I don't even know why the parking rules are dumb, and so now we have to pay
That's like the
$75.
biggest complaint on this island. They are like parking lots.
Yeah, they're really strict about parking here, so.